hold the ball like this and come around the wicket as a left-hander, and then you flick your wrist. That's what both the bowlers are doing, Shaheen Shah Afridi and this. Obviously, this comes with practice. Easier said than done. And for in-swing, you stay around the wicket, hold your wrist like this, lock the wrist, and then come like this with the wrist. Flick, last minute flick will work, and this is for the outswing, last minute flick. That's very important with the wrist.
Very good, Was. Just about the flick, Gil.
Flick. Flick my off stump out a few times there.
That's the flick. And that's how you bowl away swinger with normal swing, not with reverse swing.
I'm just hoping that the wickets dry out over the next couple of weeks and reverse swing comes into play, and then Waz, you can give us a masterclass on how to get the ball reverse swinging.
And reverse swing is all about reading the conditions as well. So if it's a rough square, it can reverse. This particular ground today at Perth, the square was lush green, is lush green, the ground is lush green, so it's very rare chance it will reverse in this test match.